by to tell you that I left a note on a Corvette. The Corvette was beat up and needed a lot of work, and looked like someone was living in it or using it as a storage place. I left a note on the car offering to buy it, but I never heard back from the person, and 7 days later the car was gone. I wanted to buy it and fix it, or trade my Dodge Charger for it, and then fix the Corvette, but now it's gone.
What's up, guys? So we're at Scott's lot. Little update on the Corvette that we were trying to get. Unfortunately, it's not good news. I mean, it's not good news, it's just not bad news. Like, the Corvette is gone. Today when I arrived, it was gone. Basically, the whole week it was parked right here. I checked every single day about the note. Every single day the note was on the car. So I don't know. I'm assuming that the guy was living somewhere and storing stuff in it. Assuming he's used to people offering him nothing for it because it's in terrible condition. But like, I don't know. That would have been a really, really cool car. I don't see the note anywhere on the ground or anything. So maybe he did take it. Maybe he'll call me. Who knows? We'll see. And hopefully it comes back. And if it comes back, I'm going to offer him to trade for the Charger. I think it's a good trade. And like the amount of storage comparison from that Corvette to that Charger, he could store so much and actually still drive the car. So I don't know. We'll see. That's step 2. Just a little update on the Corvette. Unfortunately, the Corvette's gone.